Next exercise we have here is the Bulgarian split squat. Adjust the distancing between the front and the back foot. This is a nice, good broad stance here. What you're looking for is a good crease in the front knee, a good bend in the front knee, keeping the full front foot flat. Obviously, also, how the knee's tracking is going to be crucial. You want to make sure you're not seeing too much caving in the knee. Everything looks pretty well put together right here. It's a tough exercise for Danny. So we're just going body weight, pairing it with the other exercises she's doing today. Now, like I said, you can play with the distancing. You can be more narrow or a medium or a far distance. I would say this is probably broad to moderate, keeping the hips nice and open. This is gonna challenge your balance and help you develop that glute single leg strength. Every exercise program should be doing the Bulgarian split squat. Toe is piked. There's also multiple ways you can pike that back toe. Excellent. Perfect. See, she's stacking the spine.
Was that form okay?
Form was really good. It was good enough that we're going to do an instructional video on it. You can mess with your tempos, you can do holds, add kettlebells, dumbbells to the movement. You can also do some jumping, as long as you know how to absorb your impact. That's the Bulgarian split squat. Rough to be Rough TV, KG.